Hello and welcome to TCI Supply's Learning Center. Today we're going to teach you how to plug in the programmer, amplifier, and display cards into a Fireye E100 series burner control. So what you do first is you grab it from the bottom and kind of shimmy this red dust cover off. You'll have a screw that goes through the center here that keeps everything locked into place. And then you'll see along the top, we've got the Fireye E1R1 Amplifier module. You can take the tabs at the top and kind of slide that out. And then you've got your programmer card, which in this case is a very popular model, EP160. You can slide it out in the same way. As you can see here, the Fireye ED510 Display module snaps right into this programmer card. So be careful. You got to press this tab down very lightly and again, shimmy it out. There's going to be like a telephone type cord that plugs into the jacks here at the top of the EP160. If your programmer does not have these jacks, you probably want the older display module, the EPD or an ED500. And what we have here is the sub bass as well. So you're going to be wiring this up in a panel or mounting it in any other way. You stick the control right there, and there are easy access for a screwdriver to put these in. And then if you want to slide them back in, they make it really easy, just like your old Nintendo cartridges here. Thanks for watching our video, and if you need help with the Fireye E100 burner controls or any other industrial control parts, please check us out at tcisupply.com.